workers in the county governments walking in and been streaming in since morning. What we are likely to, of course, we want to know today is that what is the way going forward in terms of the handing over of the functions by Governor Mike Sonko to the national government, in terms of what are the way forward in terms of the fate of the CECs who were responsible for the state functions that have been transferred to the national government. But funny thing, one of the few developments we're seeing right now is that there's been quite a bit of activity here at the office of the governor. As you can see just right behind me, a bit of sculptures that were erected by Governor Mike Sonko. Some of them we were being told were defaced today morning. For yesterday night, there was one that seems to have been burnt by, we don't know who exactly did that. There's also one that has been painted by some colors. We don't know what exactly happened. Is this, of course, residents or people who opposed to the leadership of Governor Mike Sonko trying to react to it, or is it a new development in terms of the reign of Governor Mike Sonko coming to an end here at the city hall? Our officials here, some of the people we've been able to speak to have not been able to tell us when exactly the governor is going to walk in. But, you know, he was barred from office, and so he's not been able to operate from the city hall. What we've been told that he's been operating from his Upper Hill office, where he's been meeting a number of county executive committee members. He's also been meeting members of the county assemblies. But also going forward, we're also interested in terms of what is going to be the fate of the impeachment motion that had been tabled before the county assembly. Is it going to take over? Is it going to continue, given the fact that now functions, some of the critical functions, that is the roads, health, public works and planning, have been transferred to the national government? Does that cripple Governor Mike Sonko? There have also been a lot of illegal issues that have been raised, legal experts raising concerns in terms of what is going to, was the due process followed in terms of a transfer of the functions? But you remember the Constitution is also clear on when the functions are supposed to be transferred from one level of government to the other. So going forward, we're most likely going to be interested in what is going to be the fate of Governor Mike Sonko in terms of the impeachment motion that had been tabled before the county assembly. Members of the county assembly yesterday met, and the Governor Mike Sonko was given time to respond to these allegations that have been raised against him.